press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, I'm Shreya and welcome to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's episode, I'm going to create this fresh summer makeup look. So stay tuned. That's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the look. Let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, we have a surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.